two, one.
Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. Welcome to my tutorials. In the last video we was talking about HTML and how to save HTML file. So I was telling you we create okay. I was telling you here. So with a notepad, you can just have a text file, and you should firstly save it as HTML extension, like save as here. For example, I write first my file name dot uh, dot extension. All right. uh, by default it has the dot txt. It's mean normal text file. Type save type, I'm giving it save type HTML. As I save it as first.html, my file turned into the browser file. When I open, it will open in browser. My default browser is for Mozilla, so it's opening it, right? So if I write something in for example, welcome welcome to web development course. So I'm gonna save it, Control S, refresh my browser, and it's right here. So that's been a .html extension file. In .html extension file, I write anything, it will display in browser. So whatever I write here, it will display on browser. So I was comparing dot I was comparing Notepad++ and Dreamweaver. When I create a page on Dreamweaver, as I show you, new HTML page, and gives it a name like first web, I created. So automatically simple HTML code is generated. So I'm gonna save it, Control S, giving it the name first web, and save it on desktop to show you the difference. So I will give you I will give you introduction about title later, but simply as a tag is title. As I open this page, it will be blank, and its name is first web because in its title there were a name first web. If I give a space in it and insert this and Control S, I'm gonna refresh it, name will be changed. So if I want to give my web page a name, I use title tag. But if I just simply use it, so let's see what's happened. If I didn't create HTML tags body and I just simply write this title web title, let's see what's happened. It's worked or not. It's worked because my file have .html extension. It means each tag will be work in it. All right. So it's my choice. I use direct body tag in which I write each and everything what I want. Body, sorry, body tags, and what I write here, it will display on a body as we see. So let's start some presentation code. Yeah, here. So I will. This is a simple context. What is HTML? How to create and to view HTML document? As I told you, how to view HTML document with dot extension file. You can view your document on a web browser page. Basic HTML format. It's all about this format. How can we start our HTML page to write code? Here's the doc type HTML tag, and then HTML, then head, and their closing tags with this meta and title, then body tags. It's talking about this basic HTML document format. As I told you, when I create a page on Dreamweaver, it automatically creates some basic HTML document format and the basic HTML tags. So, firstly, what is HTML? As I tell you, HTML is a language, client-side language, which display all the text, images, each and everything you want to display on your web page, telling the browser what to do and what pros to use. All right, the series of tags that are integrated into a text document. Simply, just I Mm, before give you the definition of HTML. HTML means hypertext multimedia language, which means it tells the browser to display data on web browser. So there are the different tags surrounded with angle brackets like that. Most come in a pairs like this. I will tell you later what for p tag, br, and lee tags for. The first tag turns the action on and second turns it off. It tell about I'm gonna talk about like this. This is for example I write HTML. This is the opening tag and this is closing tag. This shows a closing tag. The bracket where I write tag name and gonna close it by this backslash. Alright. The second tag of starts with a forward slash as I told you. Sorry, I call it backslash, it's a forward slash. Can embedded for instance to do this head title, yes. As we see here, I write here then. The different like HTML is the main tag. That means all the HTML code written between it. We can we can create subtags like as here one tag with closing tag and title is a second tag in it head. Alright, it does not work. It's work like that. Not case sensitive. Many tags have attributes. Alright, some browsers don't support some tags and some attributes. Lord, alright, this is a simple overview about the basic HTML format like that as we see here our code. Mm, as I show you some code at here.